what has been your most successful option trade so far?
Microsoft. I made $22,000 off of it.
And how much did you invest?
Well, before we get started, I would like to ask you guys to please give me a like. It really helps my channel and it will push me to make more videos. So let's try to get this video to 100 likes.
What's going on, guys? It's Investing Hustler here, and I have Kevin from Cyberworld with me. And today we're going to learn about option tradings. How's it going, Kevin?
Good. Hey guys, how's it going? Me and Investing Hustler will be talking about option accounts, option trading.
Yeah, so Kevin's going to teach us about options. It is Christmas, so Merry Christmas to you guys. All I want for Christmas is a thumbs up, so leave us a thumbs up in this video.
Wow, okay. I don't even ask that. But okay, please give me a thumbs up. It would help my channel grow, and share this video to as much people as possible. That would be greatly appreciated. That's my Christmas present. I would rather have people share this than give me a thumbs up.
Yep, share, thumbs up, subscribe. So Kevin, what do you want to talk about options today? You said you had a little thing to know.
I think the most important thing is nobody can really explain options to you. You can't just go and watch a video and be like, oh, I know what to do for options. Absolutely not. You need to open up an account and you need to experiment. You need to try to do some trades. Usually when you open up an account, when I started, I opened up an account. I watched a bunch of videos, but I opened up an account. I still didn't know what I was doing. So I had to call up the broker in my bank and I had to talk to him, ask him questions, ask him how to do a trade. After experimenting for a couple of weeks, then I started to get comfortable with options. I started to know what I'm doing more. And in this video, I'm going to show you my experience of option trading.
So pretty much you're saying you can't just Google what are options trading and you can't just learn it. You have to experience it. You have to practice it in order to know how to trade options.
Correct. Because
how long have you been trading options now?
1 month. I've been trading options for 1 month and I've already clocked in about 40,000 Canadian dollars profit already.
Oh, that's very good. But you're probably gambling with a lot more money than the average
person. No, it's surprisingly, because like, let's say if you gamble, let's say if you put in $2,000, right? Like for example, since the market has a big correction, I put a put option on Microsoft at $95, $105, and the stock is $93 now. Since it was such a safe stock and such a rare occasions happen where the stock plummeted all the way down to $93, I'm basically up $20,000 on that position alone, and all I did was put $2,000 in.
Yeah, I do remember we made a top 3 worst stocks for December, and Microsoft was one of them. Same with Apple, Aurora, and the funny thing is all 3 of those companies are doing very bad. So
that's because we're in a market crash.
Exactly. Oh yeah, it's pretty much almost impossible to get that wrong. So I did Google what are options right here. What are options trading? And it says right here, listed options has fixed strike prices and expiration dates. Each listed option represents 100 shares of stocks known as one contract. ABC stock is trading at $45 to put in $5 in the money. So just by that, I didn't learn anything. So yeah, I guess you are right. You kind of just have to experience options.
Yeah, and you definitely got when you actually have an option account trading open, you should call your broker, the people that are behind your trading account, and ask them questions. Ask them as much questions as possible. Try to learn as much as possible, because nobody can really teach you how to do option trading. There's a few things I want to so you don't need a margin account. First thing, you don't need a margin account to open up a trading account.
Yep, I remember.
Margin account's not required unless you're doing naked sell put options, which I have no idea how to do. But I heard that they're extremely dangerous. But I have no idea how to do naked. And then my 3 rules for option trading is don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. You get greedy, you can destroy yourself, but also you can get super rich if you get greedy too. But you can also destroy your entire account. So learn how to read charts. That's very important. You need as much advantage as possible when trading options, because you're basically day trading with options. You're buying a stock and you're hoping it either goes up or down. That's basically options. And you could do long-term options, but short-term options where real money is. Long term is not bad, but short term is better.
Yeah.
My third rule is, this is from my own experience. Maybe somebody might argue with me, but speculative stocks, don't do option trades on speculative stocks as like Aurora, Canopy, NBEV, anything that's volatile and doesn't have real financials backing it. Don't do option trades on them, because you really need the stock to move 10%, 20% in order for you to really make some decent coin off it. But let's say if you were to do something like Microsoft and it went down 3%, you could be up 100% on your position, but Microsoft going down 3%.
Also,
Yeah.
I guess you do have a lot of risks with options. You have the potential to lose your full investment, correct?
Yeah, but you have a potential to lose your full investment. So if you put $2,000 in, you can lose that entire $2,000. But at the same time, you can 1,000% that position. So you could lose $2,000, or you can make $18,000.
Yeah. So it's a lot of risk and a lot of reward too. So
I would say the reward is better than the risk, because let's say if you have one big win, it would make up for like 5 losses or 10 losses.
yeah. And for a beginner, how much money would you recommend for them to start with trading options? $100, $500?
Start off with $100, and if you notice that you're winning a lot more, increase it to 500. And
Yep.
if you see you were starting to do very well, maybe do 1,000. But like don't go like put $10,000 or $100,000 in. That's pure greed, and that could destroy you or make you super rich. One of the two.
Or also, let's say someone only has $5,000. How much of that money would you recommend them to put into options? Like what percentage?
Well, if you were to do a trade, if you have $5,000, do a trade of maybe do like a 200 trade option trade, or maybe $100 option trade. You won't make as much, but at least you get the experience of learning how to option trade. I mean, I have millions of dollars, and I only do $1,000 per trade, right? Like $2,000 per trade. That's my limit. I don't try to go past $2,000 per trade. So, but I've been getting massive returns. I've already made like over $40,000 on options already. And since the market is crashing, that could increase, because I basically put a put option on the FANG stock, on Apple, on Nike, and all these McDonald's, all these high safe stocks. And because the market is crashing, I can make a fortune by December 28th, but I also have to pay the government a lot of money because of tax purposes.
On your course, will you be showing your options? I know I'm signed up to your course. I haven't really been looking at it lately, but are all your trades, your option trades in your course as well?
Yes. If you were in my course, every time I make a buy or sell of an option, I will update to you like instantly. I would send a viral email to all my subscribers telling them that I made a put option on this stock, or I made a call option on this stock. So you guys know exactly what I'm doing. You guys could use my example, but I'm not a financial advisor, so you should not like buy and sell what thing, but you could use my own knowledge or my own stock to make your own decisions, either buy or not buy or whatever, because that's your decision at the end of the day. I'm there to provide you examples by emailing you every single trade I do, so maybe you can take one of them or not even, or do your own kind of trades. I don't want to get shit for people losing money, because the stock market is speculative. The stock market is dangerous, because like people say the stock market is not dangerous. We're having a market crash. So if you're saying the stock market is not dangerous, you're gonna change your mind in a couple months, because I'm hearing that the market could crash 70%. So far we're only down 20%, so there's another 50% left to go. So it's scary. We could be heading back to the 2008 lows when the market crashed. That's a potential. I'm not saying it will happen, but we're definitely in way more than a correction right now. And there's a lot of people talking about a stock market crash, and the biggest one of our entire lifetime. I'm happy because I'm in cash. I'm putting put options, so I put a shield in front of me, so there's nothing that can touch me. But except for the market reversing. But then if the market reverse, I can see a signal in the chart and I can know that it's rebounding and you know that we might not be bad heading to a crash. But right now, if you look at all the charts, it looks like we're heading in a crash and nothing's stopping us from not crashing.
Yeah, definitely looks ugly right now. Especially FANG stocks, especially the S&P 500. For some reason, marijuana stocks have not really crashed. They
Bear
have
trap,
crashed, but they
bear
have
trap.
seemed to
But market movers are moving up the stock to
yeah,
bear trap people because
possible.
it does not make sense for the weed market to go up while everything's going down. And you also have to look at the volume when you look at the wheat stock. It's going up on very low volume. That means it's insider trading. High volume with stocks going up is a good sign. Low volume, stocks going up is a bad sign.
Well, I'm trying to access your course right now. For some reason, I can't find it. Schools I'm enrolled in. That's it. Because I wanted to. I don't know if you want to kind of preview your options that you've traded, or do you want to not disclose that?
You could if you want. I guess it doesn't really matter. I did do an example of me doing an option trade on Apple
Mm-hmm.
on my stock market membership group. So
Okay, so I have access to it right now. I'm actually enrolled into Kevin's course, and I guess we'll show a little preview of your trades on December. So right here we have so I guess these are put options. What they have in the front put, right? So you
yep.
have a put option with Facebook. Um,
I haven't updated it yet. I'm supposed to have my December 24th on there, but I forgot to update it.
looks like you have a put option with Tilray, Aurora, Facebook, Intel, um, Loblaws. Wow.
Yeah, Loblaws, I'm down. I don't understand why Loblaws is not crashing like the rest of the market.
People need food.
No, but even then, in the 2008 crash, Loblaws crashed.
Yeah. So yeah, that's I guess you're very transparent in your course. You're showing these are December 20th trades. You're showing exactly the trades you made. Um, it's pretty interesting stuff. So, anything else you want to add to these option trades, or
Nope.
any future trades you plan on making?
Well, I haven't updated my December 24th yet, but every time I make a trade, I definitely update it in my membership group, in my stock market membership group. So if you guys want interested in seeing my trades, you can sign up. It's 50% discount right now. So a lot of people are hurting right now because nobody has signed up to my membership group. As soon as I started that discount,
No one, eh?
no one.
Maybe this video might get a couple people. Who knows?
Who knows? Like, if you guys have any comments, anything about option trading, maybe leave a comments down below, and I'll try to answer it. But the best thing I can tell you for advice right now, if you're interested in options, open up a trading account for options,
Yep.
and experiment and learn. And there's no way a video or words can teach you. It's more of experience.
What has been your most successful option trade so far?
Microsoft. I made $22,000 off of it.
And how much did you invest? 2,000?
I think about three or 4,000. 3,000 or 4,000 US. I can't remember the exact number.
That's good.
Yeah.
And you're not recommending option trading with the cannabis stocks?
Nope. The gains on it is too ridiculous, and the time decay on it is too ridiculous. The reason why I don't recommend speculative stocks is because when you do option trade, there's a lot of things that they take into account when you do an option trade. This is the stock a speculative stock? Is the stock volatile? Is the stock is it dangerous? Like, usually if you take all those into account, the option is more, it requires a lot more for the stock to move down in order for you to make money off options versus like something like super safe, like Microsoft. Nobody would expect Microsoft to go down 5% in one day. That would be such a rare occasion because it's such a safe stock. It's considered a safe stock because they make so much money.
Yep. So then I'm probably gonna try to learn some more about option trades. Any videos you would recommend watching about option trading?
No, I don't recommend watching a video. I recommend just opening up an account, experimenting, and calling your broker.
Well, I'm gonna try to do an option trade, and if this guy, I mean, if this video gets 100 likes, I'm gonna show you guys my first option trade. Whether it was a success, whether it's a failure. So give me 100 likes. I'll show you guys my first option trade. Maybe I'll get CyberWorld to help me out throughout the process. I'll definitely call my bank. I'll do everything he advised us to do. Once again, make sure if you do investing, you do your own due diligence. And this video is simply for educational and entertainment purposes. So don't forget to leave us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to CyberWorld, and don't forget to subscribe to me.
I just want to say that thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys learned something from this. I hope you guys found this entertaining. We're here to give you valuable information so you guys can make a lot of money for yourself in the future. Well, hopefully. Anyways, thanks for watching, and have a great day.
Merry Christmas, happy holidays, happy New Year's. Have a good day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.